Okay, dear students, we have to discuss about surd. If the roots of the rational is irrational, then it is called surd. For example, root 2, root 3, but not root 4. Because 4 is rational, root of 4 equal to 2, which is also rational. That's why root 4 is not surd. But root 2 equal, we will get the value of 1.41 like that, 1.4 like that. So 1.4 is irrational number. That's why the root of rational is irrational, which is short. First part we have discussed that. And second part about rational number, we have studied this definition of a irrational number, but what is rational and what is irrational, that is also important. So a number which can be expressed in p by q form but q does not equal to 0 is irrational, rational number. For example, 3 by 5. But sometimes we may have given the decimal number. In that case, terminating, either terminating like 0.25, that is terminated 5, and if non-terminating but repeating 0.66666, like that, it is not non-terminating but 6 is repeating. Maybe two numbers, three numbers, group of the numbers, or the single number may be repeated, that is rational number. And about irrational, first one is not rational or not rational. Then second one is it may not be clear, the boys are not girls or girls are not boys. But in fact, in terms of decimal number, non-terminating, non-terminating and non-repeating, non-terminating and non-repeating decimal are irrational number. For example, root 3, the value of root 3 is 1.732205 dot 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 dot. This is a non-terminating as well as a non-repeating decimal. Similarly, pi equal 3 point 3.14159265 dot dot dot. Pi is irrational number, but sometimes we may have misconception about pi. Pi is 22 by 7. It can be expressed in p by q form. Q does not equal to 0, but why not? Pi is a rational number. You may have that question, but this is the approximate value of pi. Yes, approximate value of pi. That's why the pi is 3.1 for this, which is non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. That's why it is irrational number. Okay, now about the order of surd. Suppose we have taken example of surd. Suppose root 7, cube root 7. In this case, dear student, the order is 3. The order of surd is 3. 7 is called a radicand. 7 is called radicand, and this cube root is a radical sign. So in this way we can find. And the next part, dear students, about pure and mixed surd. Pure surd and mixed surd. Pure surd is such surd which have coefficient 1 or minus 1, that is a pure surd. And for example root 2 or minus root 3, they are pure surd. Other than pure surd, having coefficient other than 1 or minus 1, that is mixture. For example 2 root 3, 4 root 5, etc. are mixture. Pure surd and mixture also we have discussed. Now expressing a pure surd to mixture, how to express pure surd to mixture, that is that to be discussed. Suppose we have given pure surd and we have to convert into mixture. Let me repeat this. Now for example, now we have given root 18, this is pure surd. Then we have to find the factors of this. Pure surd is 3 times 3 times 2 equal 3 root 2. Root 18 and 3 root 2 are same, but this is pure surd, but this is mixed surd, because the coefficient is other than 1 or minus 1, that's why the mixture. But in this case the coefficient is only 1, that's why this is mixture. Similarly dear students, if you have given for example 3 root 2, this is let's take another example. Instead of 3 root 2, 2 root 3 let's take, okay. 2 root 3 we have given, 2 root 3, this is mixture. Then how to convert this into pure surd, that is the question. In this case you can write 2 root 3 equal root under 2 times 3, as a root 2 means power 2, so order 2 and this power 2 can be cancelled and we will take 2 out. Or if we need to into here, we need 2 2's, that's why now you have to multiply 2 to the 4, 3 is 12. This is mixture, this is mixture, this is pure surd. यो दुई भित्र जानु पर्यो भने दुईटा दुई जान्छ। यदि तपाईलाई फेरि 2 क्यू रूट अफ 3 दियो भने हाउ टु कन्भर्ट इन्टु प्योर सर्ड भन्ने क्वेशन आयो भने यो क्यूब रूट भएको हुनाले तीनटा 3 भित्र लैजानुहोस्, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 बनाउनुहोस्, that is 2 to the 4 to the 8 3 is 24. This is pure surd. In this way we can convert pure to mixed and mixed to pure surd. And now the next part, dear students, we have to go to the next part. Next part is about how to convert different order surds to the same order. Yeah, we have to convert different order to same order. For this, suppose you have given q root of 4 and square root of 5. Suppose we have given this question. In this case the solution is, first of all we should define the order. The order of first surd is 3 and second surd is 2. Yes, this order is 2 and this order 3. Now LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. That's good. So we should make the order of first and second Surd as a 6 or LCM. So that simply you can write 6 under root 4, and the order is 3. We have to make 6, so 2 times you have to multiply. So inside the radical sign or for the rational number you have to add 2. Yes, I mentioned you earlier, cube root of 4 means 4 to the power 1 by 3. At least we need here 6, so 4 to the power 1 by 3 times 2 by 2, 4 to the power 2 by 6, then it can be expressed 6th root 4 square. So this is the working note, dear students. In this way we can convert, and fact or easy method is this. And root 5 is, how can we convert root 5? Means we should write directly 6 root 5. Here is 2, 2 3 just 6, so you can write here 3. Or sometimes you may have written just 3 times 2 4 2 4 square, and 2 times 3 5 3. This is the process. Okay, 3 2 just 6, 3 3 just 6. If you multiplied the order by 2, then you raise the same power. If you multiply the power by 3, then raise the power 3. As they can be done in this way. So you can write 6 root of 4 square is 16, and 6 root of 5 cube is 125. These two are the surds having same order. Now at this moment I have to revise about comparison of surds. In this case, dear students, if the surds having same order, here in this case you can compare. In this case, if they have same order and greater number, means greater rational number, or the number which is inside the radical sign, if that is more, that surd is more, 16 र 125 मा 125 more 7, 6 root of 16 smaller than 6 root of 125 हुन्छ, because the order same छ भने 16 को 6 root निकाल्नु र 125 को 6 root निकाल्नु जुन हो भित्र ठुलो छ त्यही हुन्छ. हामीले यदि सिम्पल एक्जाम्पल लियौं भने root 2 र root 3 लियौं भने, अब root 2 को भ्यालु हुन्छ, हामी root 2 को भ्यालु कति हुन्छ भन्दा क्याल्कुलेटर पनि युज गर्न सकिन्छ, 1.41 समथिङ हुन्छ. root 3 को भ्यालु हुन्छ 1.73. अब यो ग्रेटर भएको हुनाले यो भ्यालु ग्रेटर आयो, द्याट्स व्हाई root 3 इज ग्रेटर देन root 2. यसरी हामी comparison पनि गर्न सक्छौं. If you have given different order surd, convert into same order and compare. If you have given at this stage, directly compare whether the number inside the radical sign is greater or not, and if yes, that is the greater surd, otherwise not. Now next part, dear student, about like and unlike surd. Like and unlike surd. Okay, the order like surd, that like surd in same order. First check same order, and second check equal radicand. For example, root 7 and 3 times root 7. Are they like? Yes, let's check. The order is 2, the order is 2. Only the coefficient may differ. Okay, So what is the radicand? 7. What is the radicand? 7. Yo, inside a radical sign ko radical 7 ho, यहाँ पर 7 ho. Yes, they are like, sir. Otherwise they are unlike. We can compare root 3, cube root of 3, and minus 4 times square root of 5. If we compare here the square root of 3, okay, let's make this same. 3. So in this case, first, what is the radicand? 3. And here also 3. Here also 3. First, second option is clear, means same. And same order, the 2 order, 3 order, 2 order. So first and third may be like, but first and second and third, or first and second, they are unlike because the order is different. Radicand is same but order is different. Sometimes radicand may be different, order will be same, like this root 5. And in this case, for these two, if we compare these two source, their radicand is different but order is same, but radicand is different. In this case also they are unlike Surds. Okay, in this way we have revised the lesson. Now we have to move to the exercise. The question we have to discuss examples exercise. Wait. Number 1 question may be order of surd. We have to find order. For example, 7 root of 23. The order is 7. The order of given surd is 7. Finished. And the second example, 3 times pth root of ex, where p is greater than 1, and the order of given surd is p. Now move to second type question. Suppose we have to convert into simplest form. We have to convert into simplest form. For example, a sixth root of 16 x to the power 4. Now how can we convert into simplest form? Before this, we have given root 12. Solution, we have to factorize 2 times 2 times 3, 2 to the 4, 3 to 2, 12, and we should take 2 out, and this is a simplest form, yeah, because we can break in this way. If this is given, then let's try 16 is, we have given 6th root of 2 times 2 times 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8, x times x times x times x, or simply x to the power 4 is known, and 6th root of 2 to the power 4 times x to the power 4, here just I expanded, that doesn't matter, and 2 to the power 4 times 1 by 6 x to the power 4 times 1 by 6. The order will be divided, I know, यसरी convert हुन्छ. Then 2 2 जा 2 3 जा 2 2 जा 2 3 जा 2 to the power 2 by 3 times x to the power 2 by 3. Then simply write 2x to the power 2 by 3. Then it can be written as cube root of 2x whole square, that is cube root of 4x square. I have done in a little bit expanded form, or I will make it short. Okay, you have given 16 under root 16x to the power 4, then sixth root 2 to the power 4 into x to the power 4. They have same or power, that's why we can combine. Sixth root 2x to the power 4 you can write, then 2x to the power 4 times 1 by 6 you can write, then 2 2 za 2 3 za you can write 2x to the power 2 over 3, then express this like in radical sign, cube root of 2x to the power 2, then it becomes cube root of 4x square. In this way we can solve or convert into simplest form. Similarly others you can try. Next, yeah, convert into mixed sort. Convert into mixture. For example, fourth root of 32x to the power 5. So it has one coefficient, so we have to convert. Okay, solution. What we have given simply fourth root of x to the power 5. So fourth root of 32 is easy number, so you can orally you can directly write 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the and x to the power 5, or fourth root of 2 to the power 5 and x to the power 5, or if order is 4 then express this in terms of 4 roots 2x to the power 4 times 2x. I have jumped here, but I'll make it clear. Fourth root of 2 to the power 4 into 2 and x to the power 4 into x. I have expressed this because the order is 4, then we can take an out from this radical sign. That's why 2s we can take out fourth root of 2x times fourth root of 2x. This is a mixed sort. This is a mixed sort. In this way you can convert a pure sort into mixed sort. Now next example, dear students, let's move to the next example. Next example, convert pure sort into pure sort. Example, next here we have to convert into pure sort. We have to convert into pure sort means we will be given the mixed sort. So for example, 4 cube root of 5x is given, and the solution is minus 4 cube root of 5x equal minus, okay, the order is 3, so we need 3 fours. Yes, that's why you can write 4 1 fours, 2 fours, 3 fours and 5x. Then minus the product of this is, let me multiply 4 times 3 into 4, into 64 times 5, 320x. Now this is a pure sort whose coefficient is minus 1 or 1 with a negative sign. This is right, a minus cube root of this and cube root of this. So moving to the next question, dear students. Next question is express the function in the same order. We have to convert in same order. convert in same order. Okay, so for example, we have given q root of 3, 6 root of 6 and 2 root of 5. We have given this solution. We have to convert into same order. It has 3 order, it has 6 order, it has 2 order. That's why they have different order. First of all, yeah, here first Surd has 3 order, second has 6, and third has 2 order. This is within yes, this or simply yes, square root of only this square root or that order is mentioned, 2 order. Then LCM of 3, 6 and 2 is simply 6. We know that. Now we should make 6. So 3 times 2, 3 square. Here multiply by 2 and raise power 2. And 6 itself 6 because it has already 6. And third 2 times 3, 5 square. We have multiplied here 2 in order, then we have raised the power 2. That's why this is 6 root under 6th root of 9, this is 6th root of 6, and this is 6th root of 25. Furthermore, dear students, we have to arrange in order. Now I have added arrange in ASCENDING, added ascending order. Suppose we have to this in order. Okay, this is power 3 and 125. Let me arrange this. That's thank you. This is 2 times 3, 5 times 3, then this is 6 root of 125. Good. Now arrange in ascending order. So we should see inside the radical sign, the smallest is 6, 6th root 6, and then 6th root 9 and 6th root 125. In this way we can write in ascending order. If we need descending order, just reverse process you can write. In this way we can express in order as well. First addition of sorts. About addition of sorts, suppose we have given 2 under root 4x square plus 3 cube root 8x cube. Then first of all we have to convert into simplest form, then only we can add or we can subtract. Yeah, so 2 times that 2x whole square under root plus 3 times cube root of 2x cube, then simply 2 times 2x plus 3 times 2x. The order and power same, the order and power same. That's why it becomes 4x plus 3 to the 6x, then it is 10x. Similarly, subtraction you can do that. And now next part is about simplification. Suppose we have given 4 root 2 minus 2 root 8 plus 3 under root 2. The solution is 4th root 2 minus 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 plus 3 by root 2, then you know that rationalize this. We have rationalized the denominator. Then this is 4 root 2 minus, from these two 2's 1 2 is getting out, the 2 2's are 4 root 2 plus 3 root 2 over 4, root 2 and root 2 is 2. Oh, 4 root 2 and 4 root 2, this can be cancelled. 3 root 2 by 2 is answer. In general, we put the answer where the denominator is in a rational form. This is the simplification, dear students. And now next part about multiplication, multiply of the surd. Suppose 3 root 6 times 2 root 5. Then what can we do? The solution is, the order is 2, so we can multiply the coefficient. 3 2 is 6 and 6 5 the 30. Other than this we can't do, because the factors of 6 are 2 and 3, and here is the factor 5, so we cannot express more than this. Now next question about multiplication. Cube root of a minus b to the power minus 8 times cube root of a minus b to the power 4. So solution is, if they have same order, we can express in a same radical sign, dear students, right? So we can write cube root of a minus b to the power minus 8 times a minus b to the power 4. They are like terms, then we can add subtract like that. And cube root of a minus b to the power minus 8 plus 4, the power will be added. Cube root of a minus b to the power minus 4. Since the order 3, so we need at least 3 powers, or we can write, we can express this in a 1 over a minus b to the power 4. Then it can be expressed in cube root of 1 over a minus b to the power 3 and a minus b. Then yes, it can be taken out, order 3 and power 3, 1 also the same, so 1 over a minus b cube root of a minus b to the power minus 1. In this way we can change, or we can simplify this question.